Hey you guys, so this is a random video. I'm back early. This is not the video I wanted to upload, but I just got my package. Y'all wonder why my hair looks so weird. It's because it's not done. Like, I just took my bonnet off. I've been sitting in the house all day, but my package came in. I ordered a wig, I don't know, January 3rd. It just dawned on me, January 3rd. That was when the order, that's when I ordered it. And it's a wig from none other than, matter of fact, I'm not gonna shade it. I'm gonna just show y'all the box. I'm not gonna shade it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna just show y'all the box. This is the company I ordered from. Now, let's open it. There's some little tape at the bottom. I like the packaging. My favorite color is pink. It says Yolissa, love your life, love Yolissa hair. I hope I do. Then it has like when the business started, all their social medias. I think this is an address, and then their email. So when you open it, you just see like your wig, and then they give you. I think it's so crazy because I just ordered a whole roll of elastic bands. That's fine. There's your wig cap. Who doesn't need these? I always need those. And then a hair bag to put your hair in. And this just says Yolissa hair once again. You go into the hair. It looks neat. It has a I think this is a return policy, and then also how to care for the hair. What type of wig it is. It's cap size large. I got a big head. It's cap size large here. Cap size large 180, and it's a 13 by 4. So let's open it. Doesn't stink. Yeah, I knew I was gonna do that. This wig is a water wave, and the longest length they had for that. What's this? Oh, this is the type of hair they carry, because I'm like, that is not the wig I ordered. I think this, from what I remember, is 22 inches. Oh, and the lace is like, I'm so glad it's not like a dark brown. It's like, I think this will fit my hair. Oh, one of the bands is attached. Hold on, let me loosen it up. Yeah, I'm gonna be straight. I like the way this is constructed. Yeah, I like the way this is constructed. So you are gonna have to bleach the knots a little bit though, because as you can see, well, maybe I should do this. So you can most definitely see those dark spots. But off the bat, it feels really soft. Don't have no smell to it. I don't really know how hair is supposed to smell, but they don't have no hairs to it. I heard you're supposed to boil your wigs and stuff like that. So I guess I'll boil it. But I think I would like this. I was gonna get deep wave, but then I was like, no. Because when deep wave gets dry, it gets really poofy, and I don't like my hair really poofy. So I was like, get water wave, and when I do water wave, it'll be decent. But like, this is what the lace look like. This isn't transparent. I think this is just light brown lace. Let me see. I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's just light brown, but you can work with that because you can tint it. Also, the hairline looks pretty nice. Already looks like it's pre-plucked. And I just cannot wait to... Oh, it's a nice natural brown color too. Oh, sis, we're lit. And like the parting is okay. I can already tell I'm not gonna do any plucking to the hairline just because I don't want to pluck it any far back, just because it's already not that much, you know, spacing in there. So we're not gonna do too much touching of the hairline. The hairline looks fine. I think the frontal is probably like 20 inches. Most likely this hair will not, it won't be in the wet state, but it'll be like damp. One, because where I'm at, it's cold outside and I can't get sick. So my hair will most definitely not be wet. But yeah, she's pretty cute. I like her. She looks pretty good. She feels pretty good. This is just my initial review. I got one hair I'm getting a couple of hairs, but I've had worse. I've had me brushing and it's just like, oh my god, my whole wig just came off on my brush. Like, wow. But yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. And I think I like that it's gonna, the way it's made is gonna be real easy to do the half up, half up, half up, half down hairstyles. It's gonna be real easy to do that because there isn't, as you can see, the tracks are back here. So it's like, more frontal than tracks, if you ask me, from my point of view. So yeah, those hairstyles will be easy. And then, like, let me see how far back, you know, that's the hairline with the little, yeah, this is a pretty good wig. But yeah, I just couldn't wait to share that with you guys. I really wanted you guys to see it. I really wanted to share it with you guys. I will be bleaching the knots. I'll be careful about that. I probably only use a 20 developer just because I want to be real careful. I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, I just really wanted to share with you guys. I can't wait to install it and show you what it looked like. I'll probably try to do that in a few days. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. And stay tuned for more. And I will see you guys later. Have a blessed day. So this is what it looks like when it's dry and brushed out. This is how much hair I got from brushing it. And this is what it looks like in its curly state. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.